I'm going to show you how to use the Jacfit Jrun fitness tracker for step workouts. I'm Clint Grimes. Let's get started. The Jrun from Jacfit has two components. The first component is a fitness tracker which you put around your ankle, and the second component is an app which you install on your iPhone or Android phone. The magic happens when you mirror your phone to your television, which you can do if you have a smart TV or streaming device such as a Fire Stick or Roku. If you don't know how to mirror your phone to your TV, there's a link to a video in the description to show you how to do it. Once you install the app on your phone, you can fill out your profile and create an avatar which will represent you on the screen. Be sure to enter your location, country, and time zone. To get to the step workout, you have to go through this running screen. After you click on running, select your route on this screen. Once you select your route and the workout starts, click on this silhouette icon and select Workout H. Now all you have to do is follow along with your avatar in the lower right corner of your screen. Your avatar will take you through a warm-up and then a workout consisting of various step-up exercises in 40-second bursts with marching in place for 30 seconds for active rest in between each exercise. Besides jogging or walking and cycling, Jacfit will keep updating the app with various types of cardio workouts such as bodyweight workouts and the step workouts like the one I'm doing right now. Additional features include 𝐘�𝐿. By just exercising, you can get 𝐘𝐿, which you can use to unlock what you want, such as new avatars, outfits, pets, and scenes. In Jacfit, you can have a fun and motivating indoor exercise experience. Weekly tournaments. You can compete with or against other players anywhere in the world and get 𝐘𝐿. The race schedule will be updated in the app announcements. Pets. You can raise your own pets in the Jacfit app. Feed them or interact with them to increase the closeness. You can even dress pets up with special outfits and set them as your training partner to exercise together. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and click on this video to see how to use the Jacfit Jrun fitness tracker with a treadmill. That's it. That's all. See you next time.